Hey, to add or remove widget from the lock screen on the Galaxy S24 or S24 Plus, all you have to do is just to open the settings, then you will have to scroll down and go into the wallpaper and the style. Now just select your lock screen, and from this you will have to click actually in this place. And now, as you can see from this, we can add the different widgets. Let's say that I want to add maybe calendar widget, so I have to click on this arrow and now pick one of the following widget, like this one. There we go. And as you can see in this case, I can even get two widgets. So I can get rid of this one and add, for example, the battery widget. There we go. It appears just right here. And when I change my clock style, for example, for this one, as you can see, it is actually not changing the amount of the widgets that I can put right here. So it doesn't matter if you customize other things, you can only get like two widgets at the same time on the lock screen. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.